Hello everyone, this is Sadin and welcome to Trend Tech Blog. In this WordPress video tutorial session, this is the part 2 video. Already in our first video, I have tried to show you all the basic installation procedure step-by-step guidance regarding WordPress and also how to install a XAMPP and open WordPress. So all the environmental setup related video has already completed. If you are not gone through our first video, then please go through our first video where I have shown you all the basic environmental setup related things. So in this video, I will show you how to uh, open WordPress and also all the features by which WordPress can be modified. Your website can be WordPress is providing all the features and you can modify your website. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to open WordPress, and before going to that, you need to start your local server, because you all know that WordPress is such a framework by which you can create one website. So a website need a hosting server to run it, to host it. So here in our cases, I am using local hosting server, that is Apache. So at first you need to run the Apache web server as well as a local database to open your website. So first of all, search for XAMPP control panel. Yes, XAMPP control panel. Now start Apache local server and as well as MySQL local database. Okay, so both I have started. Now open any browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. You can use any other browser. So in the browser, just type in the URL section localhost clone 80. Here you can see the localhost dashboard has appeared. So this page is coming, that means I have already told this page is coming, that means your local server has successfully run. So now it is this dashboard and localhost front slash, after that write WordPress. Okay, so this is default WordPress website which is automatically come when you create one new WordPress website. So this is default WordPress website. Now the first task is to we need to go to the WordPress admin panel, because WordPress admin panel is such a control panel, such a panel where you can modify your website. You can do all of the editing features, all of the editing related things over here. You can change theme, you can give post, you can change your page, you can create page. All of the features you can access on the WordPress admin section. So how you can open the WordPress admin section? Uh, Here you can see localhost front slash WordPress front slash, you need to write wp dash admin. Okay, see wp dash admin and hit enter. So this is the login page of WordPress admin section, WordPress admin control panel. So I have given my username admin and also I have given my password admin. Whatever the username and password you have set in when you install the WordPress, so you need to give it over here. So admin, in my case password is also admin, and login. Okay, so this is the main dashboard of WordPress admin control panel. So here you can get all of the features which is providing WordPress. So in this tutorial video session I will show you one by one all of these things. Okay, so first of all, here you can see in the dashboard section, customize your site or change your theme completely. So the first open the existing WordPress site. So here you can see test website and visit site. So I am opening it in a new tab. Here this is the default website, test website, default website which has automatically created. Now one by one in this section I will show you what is this thing. So first of all, coming to the point, that is you can customize your existing site. Here clicking this, you can customize your existing site, that means this one. Otherwise you can change your theme completely. You can give a theme here, you can set a different theme here as per your requirement. What is your website purpose? If you want to create a blog website, or if you want to create a e-commerce website, different kind of website. So as per your requirement you can set a theme, and all the WordPress, lots of maximum free theme you can get. And how you can get theme and how to activate your theme, I will show you next tutorial session. But here, this is the idea. Okay, now this is the post section. So what is post? So actually WordPress is basically a blog related website. You can create lots of blog related website you can create here. So in a blog website, if you want to write a article, if you want to give a new blog, so that blogs are basically called the post. So in this post section, all the post list you can show, add new, you can create a new post, categorize and tags. So if you click all post section, so here you can see it's a predefined hello world post already present. So here automatically one sample post is here. But if you create one post, then you can click add new, and here you can create a new post. So how to create a post, I will cover up in our next tutorial video. Okay, so here basically this is the post section, and you can see all post and add new post, and you can also categorize your post. Lots of different category you can uh, give your post. Okay, so you can create also different category and different tags regarding your post. And this is media section. This is media, so you can upload lots of media file. Okay, here you can see library, or lots of media file like image, video or audio. So lots of media file you can add over here. Next is page. So this is page. In your, you know that a website is containing more than one page. So different page, like contact us page, about us page, privacy policy page, your blog page, your home page. So different pages there in your website. So all the page list you can get, all the page list here. And if you want to create a new page for your website, then also you can create here add new. Okay, so if I click all page, so here you can see a predefined all page like about, blog, contact, create your website, privacy policy, sample page. So lots of predefined pages already created over here. Okay, okay, now comment section. Here this is comment. If you this is a comment area. If you give one post and someone has commented on your post, then the all the commented comment has appeared here. And WordPress is automatically provide features, that is you have to approve your any comment, and after approving, that comment will appear on the main website. So you can approve, unapprove, edit comment, spam, and also delete your delete comments. So this is basically comments area where you can manage your all comments. Okay, next part is, that is appearance. So in the appearance section, there you can see theme, customize, widget, menu, background and theme editor. So here in theme section, it's you can set different kind of theme over here. And in the customize section, in the already chosen theme you can customize. Okay, and in the widget area, the different widget you can uh, attach with your website. And in the menu section, you can create all the menu related activity, like you can create menu, you can organize your menu, you can create sub menu, drop down menu. So definitely we will go through all of these features one by one in our next tutorial video. Okay, And this is plugin. This is a very important thing in WordPress, because WordPress is all about plugin. So plugin is nothing but it's a features extender. If you want to attach more features, like whatever the features is coming with your theme, if you want more features with it, then you have to attach, or you have to install it's a separate plugin for that. Like for example, if you want to create a form in your website where people can reach you, people can text you, so you have to you have to install a new plugin. Okay, or you can do some SEO with your existing website. What is your content should be for SEO friendly, so there is a different plugin for that. So basically this is a plugin is a basically it's a features extender. This is if you create a website using PHP, using coding writer, then all the features you can attach by writing code. But in the WordPress we are not engaging directly code, so that all the features you can install using plugins. Okay, and next is users. So here you can create all users, and also all the user list you can see over here. And different tool is present here, available tool, import, export, site health, export personal data, and different tools is present, you can use it. Okay, so this is basically all the features of WordPress. You can access it, and each and everything you will use it to make your site a good look, give good look, or to as per your requirement. You will use post, you will use page, and all of these things. So this is basically the overview guidance of the WordPress WP admin section, WP control section. So in our next tutorial video, I will show you how to create one post, and before going to that, how to set one theme as per your requirement. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you want to get more video like this, then subscribe our channel. Thank you.